Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P2128, indicates an issue related to the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor B. Specifically, this error arises when the output voltage of the APP sensor B exceeds a specified threshold, signaling an abnormality to the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM is essential for managing engine performance and emissions, making its proper function critical. The APP sensor is integrated with the accelerator pedal module, which is positioned in the vehicle's engine compartment. Its primary role is to communicate the position of the accelerator pedal to the PCM, influencing throttle response and power delivery. When this circuit faults, it can lead to performance issues that could compromise vehicle safety and efficiency. Understanding this code is crucial for accurate diagnosis and effective repair. The APP sensor B is crucial for determining the throttle position in the vehicle. Its primary function is to relay information about the accelerator pedal's position to the powertrain control module, PCM. This communication is vital for achieving optimal engine performance and responds directly to driver input. The sensor is embedded within the accelerator pedal module located near the driver's footwell. When this system encounters an issue, such as high output voltage from APP sensor B, the PCM detects this anomaly and sets the DTC P2128. In turn, the PCM adjusts the vehicle's operating parameters, which may lead to reduced performance or safety features being activated. Therefore, a thorough understanding of the APP sensor's placement and functionality is essential for effective troubleshooting. There are several potential causes for the DTC P2128, and accurately diagnosing these is essential for effective repairs. First, the APP sensor itself may be faulty, potentially due to wear or internal failure. Wiring issues, such as corrosion or shorts, can create high resistance or signal loss, leading to the PCM interpreting the output as high voltage. A malfunctioning PCM is another possibility, indicating a more serious electrical issue. Moreover, physical damage to the accelerator pedal assembly can affect sensor readings. Other considerations include the integrity of the ground circuit, as any interruption may cause undesirable voltage levels. Each of these causes must be assessed methodically to pinpoint the defect effectively. When experiencing the DTC P2128, several symptoms may indicate underlying problems. One of the most prevalent symptoms is notably poor throttle response. This is when the vehicle fails to accelerate as expected in response to pedal input. Drivers may also notice warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, often including the check engine light, which signals that the vehicle requires immediate attention. Furthermore, unusual engine behavior could manifest, such as stalling or erratic acceleration. These issues not only impact driving experience, but may also interfere with vehicle safety mechanisms. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for timely diagnosis and repair, ensuring safe and efficient vehicle operation. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P2128 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This action powers up the vehicle's electrical systems and allows for diagnostic tests to commence. Next, it is essential to check the output voltage from APP sensor B using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS. If the voltage exceeds 4.0 volts, this indicates a duplication of the failure, confirming that there's an issue that requires further investigation. The analysis at this stage serves to validate the existence of the problem before proceeding to inspect the sensor itself. Recognizing this high voltage condition early on is critical, as it directs technicians towards potential faults either in the sensor or its respective circuits. In the second step of our troubleshooting process for DTC P2128, the technician should disconnect the APP sensor connector, which contains 6 pins. This disconnection is necessary to isolate the sensor from the vehicle's electrical system for independent testing. Once the sensor is disconnected, the technician then checks the output voltage with the ignition IG in the on mode. Under normal conditions, the output voltage should read approximately 5.0 volts. If this reading is normal, it suggests that the issue might reside within the accelerator pedal module itself. Conversely, if the voltage reading is abnormal, further investigation is warranted to explore additional components such as wiring and connections. The third step involves performing an SG2 open wire inspection, which is vital to ensuring circuit integrity. Before this inspection, it is necessary to ensure that the PCM connector is also disconnected alongside the APP sensor connector. After verifying that both connectors are disconnected, the technician should assess the wiring for any indications of damage or disconnection. This inspection process demands a multimeter to measure the resistance, confirming that it registers less than 1 ohm when checked in the off position. If resistance is measured above this threshold, it points towards a problem in the circuit itself, necessitating a more detailed inspection of the wiring and related components. Accurate assessment floor is crucial, as wiring issues can often lead to many performance complaints in vehicles. The final troubleshooting step centers on conducting a thorough PCM inspection. This step should be initiated only after verifying that all other inspection items have indicated normal conditions. If prior tests validate that the APP sensor and circuits are functioning correctly, the PCM emerges as the primary suspect. The PCM is responsible for processing inputs from various sensors and controlling engine functions, making its reliability vital to vehicle operation. To confirm the PCM as the issue, technicians might use diagnostics to evaluate signal outputs and overall performance. If confirmed, the replacement or reprogramming of the PCM will likely be necessary to resolve the DTC P2128 effectively, returning the vehicle to optimal conditions. After completing the necessary repairs following the troubleshooting steps, conduct a final verification to ensure the issue is fully resolved. Start by clearing the diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, from the vehicle system to reset any stored errors. Following this, retest the vehicle under usual operating conditions to confirm that the DTC P2128 does not recur. It is crucial to assess vehicle performance during this stage to ensure the accelerator pedal responds appropriately. By doing so, technicians can confidently confirm whether the repairs were successfully implemented, ensuring the vehicle operates safely and effectively. This verification step serves as the final check to prevent future breakdowns linked to the same issue. Implementing preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the likelihood of experiencing DTC P2128 in the future. Begin by scheduling routine inspections of the APP sensor and associated wiring and connectors. Regular checks will help ensure that contaminants, corrosion, or wear are identified before they lead to electrical issues. Additionally, keeping connections clean can aid in preventing high resistance in circuits that can falsely signal the PCM. It is advisable to follow manufacturer guidelines for service intervals and inspections, maintaining the integrity of the electrical systems. Taking these proactive measures will assist in prolonging the lifespan of critical components and enhancing overall vehicle reliability. In conclusion, Diagnosing and addressing DTC P2128 requires a solid understanding of the functioning of the APP sensor and the PCM. This guide illustrates the systematic approach necessary for troubleshooting, from initial voltage checks to final PCM evaluations. It emphasizes the importance of verifying each step, as overlooking minor details can lead to unresolved issues. Proper testing and inspections can reveal underlying problems that may not be immediately evident. Furthermore, preventive measures can mitigate future risks related to similar errors. By adhering to these guidelines, technicians can ensure that their repairs are effective, confident, and contribute to the overall safety and performance of the Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.